Featuring better design aesthetics and smart technologies, HMI nowadays can be seen in homes and buildings. As an example, CMTX HMI is showcased in Weintek's new smart office space. Let's explore how it's done. First, HMI is being used to manage lighting and air conditioning systems. While doing so, energy usage is recorded, analyzed, and optimized. In addition, each meeting room is equipped with its own HMI. The HMI displays real-time booking information of the meeting room. Not at your seat? No problem. Thanks to remote monitoring solution, it's possible to check all the HMI with a phone or tablet anywhere, anytime. Finally, an HMI at the entrance processes guest registration. And after that, the front desk gets a push notification about the visitor. We've just seen what roles HMI play in Weintek's smart office. With the ability to facilitate integration of building and automation control, Weintek HMI can shine in home and building applications.